take that
I say, Mal, I'll tell you what you ought to do, joking apart, when I finish treading in.
Yeah, go on, what?
Is take that rope off that front there, because you're going to get saddled up with that and going to be in a right mess. I should take that off while you can get at
I think
it.
you're right. You've got hold of the boat, haven't you? Yes.
All it needs is you to push that trailer.
I've got the boat, don't worry about the boat.
Right.
Just get the boat off the trailer.
Yeah, that's right, but I can't.
Push the trailer back.
I know, but it won't go back. It will. Right.
What about letting the jockey wheel down a bit?
Right.
And float off.
I'll get the door there. It's almost off, you know.
It is about off.
It is.
You've got the wrong bit of rope in your hand. You just imagine it all the way
You know, you do that loop round my leg and it
You're not trying to look back, that's the problem. It's got to go back a bit more.
It's nearly off there. I think it just needs a bit more persevering.
What about if I
Tow it up there with the
tow
van.
it up a bit?
Yeah,
and then go
you tow it up the hill with the van and the boat will probably stop where it is.
back? Well, no, it might just be able to go up and down a bit with the trailer till it goes.
Yeah. Move this back.
What's he say? He's hurting his scent.
Listen, hang on. If I get on and put, when you've done that, if it don't work, get on and put that strap on the back, then go on the bank and pull the back boat.
You could do, yeah. It'll come off when he pulls forward.
I reckon it will. But it won't. Whoa! Now go back. Go back any more for that.
It has gone back a bit more, yeah.
Yeah. Go forward again.
Yeah, just go forward again.
Just go steady though. But still on the boat.
It's gone a bit more because it's come away from that cross member, look, Malk. It's gone another 3 inches further back.
Yeah, right. Well, we've got to keep going, haven't we? I still say, cut this strap off, and then we can get a good pull of it on the bank.
Do that again. Just do that again.
Let's do it again, Mark. Whoa! Oh, no, stop. Again.
Go on, Malk. Go on. It's nearly. Go on. It's going.
Come on.
It's going. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's nearly into that place.
Let me.
Get that. Where's your stick?
What?
Where's your stick?
Why?
Push it back with it. You want so much to.
Yeah, I want to shove it with me.
You're out of reach now, aren't you?
Yeah, that's the problem with. I need some longer wellies.
You ought to have bought some waders.
I know. Look, it's got that bloody sign when we're all crossed now. It'll be all right.
You push that bit of rubber off the corner there. Look.
Well, that's bloody all the stuff I know about.
It's floating.
It's floating.
It is floating now.
Go on, Matt.
Just hang on.
It goes a long way, that concrete.
It does. I can see me falling over there. Hope you're filming.
Don't worry.
I'll get 250 quid if it does. Give me this strap.
Bloody hell.
Just a minute. The trailer's not going anywhere.
That trailer's not even connected now.
No, I know
look.
it didn't, no.
Go on, Mark. Go on. You're doing some good now. Pull that trailer out. It's coming now. It's nearly off.
You've got to put it straight, you see.
You want to be in your van?
No, you don't. Just a minute.
Let me get in the van.
Look that. Right, just go ever so steady then. No, because you... Nearly. Not any further out. Now go back again.
Push you on,
Well, back. And the rear.
Is it sinking or is it me?
Gently forward.
What do you want me to do? Just go forward a little bit. Well, hold it. Just hold it there. Just go forward a bit more. Whoa, stop. Hold it. Oh. Whoa, hold it there. Just keep the tension on it. That's it. Go on. Keep going.
Keep going, bro.
Keep going.
Get light.
Oh, the
Try it.